Today we're going to draw Valentine's Day balloons. So first we're going to do the little balloons. And now what we're going to do is the big balloon. And the bottom. Now what we're going to do is the bottom of the balloon, which is shaped like a triangle. Well, it's not really a triangle, but now we're going to do the lines that are underneath the bottom of the balloon. Now we're going to do the circles in the middle of all the balloons. But first we're going to do the little ones. And now the big one. So there's our Valentine's Day balloons. So now we're going to colour it in. So first we're going to use a nice purple for one of the balloons. You can do it whatever colour. I'm just going to do it these colours. And the big one's going to be a pink. And now the bottom is going to be the same as the top bit. Now we're going to do the light balloon. That is purple. Yours can be of colour. And the bottom of the pink one is going to be the same. It's going to be pink. And there's our coloured in Valentine's Day balloons. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.